So students, today we are going to talk about trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now let's first talk about complementary angle. See, I am considering a triangle ABC where my angle B is equals to 90 degree. Now we know in a triangle sum of all angle is equals to what? 180 degree. Now out of three angles, one angle is 90 degree. So my remaining two angles total has to be less than 180. Now, if you just use your presence of mind, you will find that angle A plus angle C will give us the total of 90 degree. Why? Because the sum of these two angles has to be 90 since B is already 90, and 180 minus 90 will give you the sum of these two angles as 90. Now, since the total of these two angles is equals to 90, we say A and C are complementary angles. So what are complementary angles? The angles whose sum is equals to 90 degree, they are termed as complementary angles. Now let's take angle A as theta. Now if my angle A is theta, then come on, tell me what is the angle C here? If angle A plus angle C is equals to 90 and angle A is theta, then angle C becomes 90 minus theta. I hope I am clear till here. Now let's talk about the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now first I am going to talk about sine theta. Now for sine theta, we know the formula is what? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Now here the opposite side is BC, your hypotenuse is AC, so it becomes BC upon AC. Let this be equation 1. Now next, now complementary to your trigonometric ratio of sine is cos. So we are going to talk about cos 90 minus theta. Now cos 90 minus theta, what is cos theta? It is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So here if I talk about cos 90 minus theta, my adjacent side is same, that is BC upon AC. Let this be equation number 2. Now if you just observe both the equation, their right hand sides are equal. Now since their right hand sides are equal, I can equate the left hand side. Now when I say left hand side equating, it means sine theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. Now this is the first trigonometric ratio of complementary angles we have got. Now let us cross check. If I talk about cos theta this time, cos. Now we know cos is what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Now for theta the adjacent side is AB, so it becomes AB upon AC. Let this be equation number 3. Now as I told you, the cos is a complementary trigonometric ratio of sine. So same way sine is also complementary trigonometric ratio of cos. So let's talk about sine 90 minus theta. Now sine theta is what? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. So here sine 90 minus theta will give us AB upon AC. Let this be equation number 4. Now if you observe in these two equations, again their right hand sides are equal. And since their right hand side is equal, we can say cos theta is equals to sine 90 minus theta. So these are the two formulas we have studied right now. Sine theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta and cos theta is equals to sine 90 minus theta. Now same way we can get the other formulas also. Now let's first talk about tan. Now for tan, its complementary trigonometric ratio is cot. So tan theta has to be equals to cot 90 minus theta. Same way for cot theta, tan is its complementary trigonometric ratio. So cot theta has to be equals to tan 90 minus theta. If I talk about cosec theta as sec theta as its complementary trigonometric ratio. So cosec theta will become sec 90 minus theta. And if I talk about sec theta, then sec theta is nothing else but equals to cosec 90 minus theta. So these are the 6 formulas which are related to trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Thank you.